Today we're checking out the latest from Audio-Technica, the ATH-ADX5000. Now these are the flagship headphones from the brand. They're the top of the Air series and they cost $2,000. Still, while everyone's talking about wireless headphones these days, these awesome audiophile headphones give those who love great sound plenty of reasons to stay wired. So let's talk about the design of these headphones. Now from the outside they look pretty minimalist and almost a little bit basic, but we don't want to call them that. Take that word away because there is a lot going on here. There's a lot of complicated stuff beneath. Just like any really cool, simple theory, there's a lot of brilliance sort of behind it, and that's kind of how we look at these headphones. You can see the headband, there's not a ton going on. It's just this Alcantara padding here, and then just really simple lines. Everything works together so these fit really well along your head and you don't have to move them very much to get them to fit. And zooming in a little closer, there's some really cool little details here. Along the magnesium components, it's not just matte black, there's actually a little flecks of silver there for some extra style. And then here are some massive pads along these massive 58mm drivers. And these are very comfortable and they too are covered with Alcantara. So you can really listen to these all day long with no problem. Looking closer at the drivers, a lot of new headphones, especially in the audiophile sector, are planar magnetic or sometimes they're electrostat, but these are traditional dynamic drivers, but with a twist. Now you can see this sort of whole baffling unit, you can see sort of the back of it, but the entire driver, including the circuit, the glass fiber baffle, and the moving coil, it's all one piece. And that's done so it can be lighter. These are actually only 270 grams total, a little over half pound. Speaking of those 58mm drivers, it's hard to miss this huge honeycomb punched shield on the outside. Now this is meant to help for very even air control, but it's also a closed venting system around most of this part here, so it's very controlled venting, and it makes for a massive soundstage. Now the ADX5000 don't come with a ton of accessories, but they do come with this nice carrying case. It's almost more like luggage actually. It's got a little bit of a pinkish hue and it's silver. And then inside you can see this sort of nice satiny lining, really thick padding. And it also comes with a nice braided cable, 3 meters long, plenty of length there, a 1/4-inch termination here. And maybe the only real weakness in the entire design here is on this cable. Now it has an A2 DC connection, and that's fine, but it's very small and there's a plastic part here that if you're not careful, you could break. Audio-Technica even mentions that. They say to always keep the cables plugged in unless you are switching cables, and that's probably because there's a little bit of a chance that you could break that part there. But other than that, we love the cable, and you can also get another cable along with it if you want a balanced cable. This is even thicker braided cable, and it does come with the 4-pin connection for a balanced output. One thing to understand is you'll want a very powerful headphone amp for the ADX5000 because it has a 420 ohm impedance, which is pretty rare these days for new headphones. And not only that, you'll also want a headphone amp with a bit of warmth. We actually suggest getting a tube amp or something with a preamp tube stage, because these headphones are a bit on the light side, especially in the upper register. And that extra warmth can really help with the depth and the power there. That said, the ADX5000 are among the most dynamically expressive, detailed, and straight up magnifying headphones we've ever put on. Every nuance of your music will be exposed, for better or worse. And like many of great pairs of cans, you'll hear things you never knew were happening in your favorite tunes. The headphones absolutely adore digging up instrumental textures, and that's especially true with synth and guitar tones. And thanks to that big, airy soundstage, there's loads of space for all the instruments to inhabit different pockets in the stereo image, and for them to breathe, sort of take up their own area. And that's what really makes these nice for long listening sessions. Of course, a $2,000 price tag puts the ADX5000 in some mighty company, but they also stand on their own because of some really cool design traits, including their extremely lightweight and comfy pads, which makes them great to listen to all day long. Now that's not to mention their expressiveness, their incredible ability to expose detail, and their massive soundstage. In other words, if you are looking for a new flavor of an epic audiophile headphone, you've got to check out Audio-Technica's ATH-ADX5000.